ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
وأربعون
49
الرياضة
sports,
sports.
هل تمارس الرياضة؟
do you exercise?
Do you exercise?
نعم، يجب أن أتحرك.
Yes, I need some exercise.
Yes, I need some exercise.
أنا مشترك في ناد رياضي.
I am a member of a sports club.
I am a member of a sports club.
نلعب كرة القدم.
We play soccer.
We play soccer.
أحيانا نسبح.
We swim sometimes.
We swim sometimes.
أو نركب الدراجات.
Or we cycle.
Or we cycle.
يوجد في مدينتنا استاد كرة قدم.
There is a soccer stadium in our city.
There is a soccer stadium in our city.
يوجد كذلك مسبح به ساونا.
There is also a swimming pool with a sauna.
There is also a swimming pool with a sauna.
ويوجد ملعب غولف.
And there is a golf course.
And there is a golf course.
ماذا يوجد في التلفزيون؟
What is on TV?
What is on TV?
تعرض حاليا مباراة كرة قدم.
There is a soccer match on now.
There is a soccer match on now.
المنتخب الألماني يلعب ضد المنتخب الإنجليزي.
The German team is playing against the English one.
The German team is playing against the English one.
من سيفوز؟
Who is winning?
Who is winning?
لا أدري.
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
حاليا تعادل.
It is currently a tie.
It is currently a tie.
الحكم من بلجيكا.
The referee is from Belgium.
The referee is from Belgium.
الآن توجد ضربة جزاء.
Now there is a penalty.
Now there is a penalty.
هدف 1-0.
Goal 1-0.
Goal 1-0.